Hello, it is Mary and Mocha, and in this video I am going to be doing an unboxing. After I do the unboxing, I'm gonna have to go put this out there and I'll do a review after about a month probably of use. So before I get started, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications, let you know whenever I post another video. With that being said, let's get into it. So I am going to be doing an unboxing of this. It's only one item. So here's what I got. Let me tell you a little reason why I got this. It comes with 2, 4, 6, 8 of these. Why does it come with so many? It comes with 8 double-sided sticky rings. I don't know why. It comes with 3 packs of these with 4 screws, and I guess those are like stud things. Then it comes with 3 packs of these with screws. They only get 3 in each thing. And whatever that thing is. I'm looking at the picture. It doesn't even say. And then it comes with three of these. It comes with having trouble, not satisfied, a thing to get in touch with the seller, and then it comes with the user manual. Okay, so what I can see from the picture is that right there you screw into the wall. And then you screw unscrew that, and you screw that into that, and then the 3 screws into the wall. Which I don't understand why they're giving so many of these. These round discs. And not enough of these. So what this is a magnetic doorstop. You can have that on the ground. And then, of course, this on the door. So it sits like that. Or you can put that on the wall and this on the ground. The little silver thing on this, it does bounce. It does work on wood, metal, glass, tile, plastic, and concrete. So you can mount it at baseboard mount, right above the baseboards, or on the floor, like I said. Strong magnet secures your door. Stable performance, auto lock magnet, and multiple angle suction cup capability. It is stainless steel for indoor or outdoor use, rust resistant design, moist proof protection, waterproof durability. The 3M tape, that's what that is. I am going to like I said, probably after a month, I will do a video of review of this, tell you what my thoughts about this is. Also the reason I am getting this is we have a door in our hallway that it does not stay open. Now that Mocha is having a hard time seeing, which he is blind. I hate saying that. Decided to get this, so he will have an easier time coming down the hall instead of the door closing and he can't get out or get in. So I am going to go get his medicine and then I guess put this thing up. I will put it in the description of this video. By the way, I'll say it now. 3 of these. So if you need 3. I am getting these the other ones, keeping them. So if and when we move, if we move somewhere that is a house, I'm going to put this up so Mocha can go in and out the door with no problem. So I am the price of these, by the way, I didn't even say it, are $12.99 for 3, and it was 1 day with Prime for 1 day shipping, so next day. I bought this yesterday and got it today. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications, let you know whenever I post another video. With that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day or night whenever you watch this.